Welcome to you all friends in this video. In this video we will see how to learn or how to read a topographical maps. What information does a topographical maps give or map reading of topographical maps. First of all we should see that this one is the map title. This represents the name of village or municipality for which this map represents. This is a map of Balkot that lies in Nepal, and this one is a scale. Here a scale of this topographical map is 1000, 1 is to 25,000, and the sheet number has been represented here. This is sheet number, and these all are legends for the details used in this map, and some information about the area for which this map has been represented. This map represents this part of Nepal, and its index to sheets. This is, and all information about contour interval has been presented here. This contour interval is 20 meters, supplementary contours at 10 meters. Reference is MSL India, and this information has been given. Spheroid Everest at 1830, projection is MUTM, origin 84° longitude, east longitude is 0° north. And after this we see that the direction of this map title shows the direction of north. This shows the north direction, and this is east direction in the right side of this map, and in the left side this map is west direction, and downward side represents south direction. And now we see the legends that has been used in this map. Now all the man-made features generally has been represented by red colors. Now little zoom. Highway with bridge, this type of structure, this type of notation represents bridge, and red colored with hatcher represents highway, and all feeder road, district roads has been represented by continuous lines, while broken lines, this type of broken lines represents gravel roads or foot trail, and this is tunnel. Road under construction has been represented in this way. This is a railway, ropeway, and this represents the transmission tower and transmission station, and build up areas has been represented in this way by red colors. This represents red colored rectangles or squares with hatchers represent buildings, open shed, and temple is represented in this way, while mosque is represented in this way, and this is church. Factories are represented by such type. This represents mining site. If you see this type of symbol in this topographical map, this represents mining site, and this represents school. This is post office. This is hospital plus sign. Police station is represented by cross mark, and this is supplementary index contour. And if this type of blue colored contour appears, then this shows the glacier. All and index contour is represented by red colored. This is bank of the river. This represents depression in brown colors. This represents this type of structure, shows cliff. And cultivation area, trees or plantation, such represents this. And bushes. And by blue color, this represents pond, lake, and this is a stream. This represents falls, river with waterfall, and this is canal. This is sand, and this is the international boundary. District boundary is represented by this way. Now we see in this map. So now here we see these red colored lines are all contour lines. Here we see that there is 3427 represented in the middle, and in the outside this is closed loop of contour lines. Here this is 3427, and the lower contour here outward represents, this represents 33,000 contour. So this contour is greater, has greater height than this contour. So this is top of the hill. Any closed contour with lower contour value or lower height inside and higher value outside represents a deep or a hole, but with greater value inside and lower value outside represents top of the hill, top of the mountain. And this is contour line. And now these all areas, green areas, represents the forest areas. Forest areas has been represented by green. And the names, here we see Dhor Patan Hunting Reserve. These all has been written towards north direction, and name of places has been, now we see that here we can see that this type of sparse, such colored, point colored, this shows the build up areas. These are representation of houses. The dispersed houses shows the small number of houses. And if this point representation is dense, highly dense, then this shows the highly populated areas. Here this blue colored lines represent rivers. These blue colors represent rivers, canals here. And now we can see that here we can see this is gravel road. This is gravel road or footpath. This has been going towards this direction. And name of all places has been written here. Now we see that this place name is Khalti Khola Kharka. Khalti Khola Kharka. And this is fairly dense mixed forest. And if this is brown colored, now brown colored represents plantation or cultivated areas. These all are these all, now we see that these all are cultivated areas, and these green colored areas are forest areas. And place name has been written to in this direction. A small places is written in a small letters. This represents cliff. This is representation of cliff, and this is representation of a streams. Now you see, if you have to measure the distance, how far is Khali Khola Kharka to this place, then you can now make a ring like this type, and by this is the place Deurali Dhuri. Now this distance between these two places can be determined using this method, this rope. Here this is fitted in this way, and here it shows the whole scale. So it is, this distance is, how much is this distance? You see 4 kilometer, and from 0 this length is 1 kilometer, 4 or 5 kilometer. So these two places are 5 kilometer, and in this way we see all these informations. Now one thing we have to consider, that this line is frame line. This is frame line. Here we see this is frame line, and this is neat line, and the area between them are border area. Okay friends, thank you.